Now, and just a few hours ago, Erie County officials held their weekly COVID update. Dave McKinley listened in on that meeting, and a lot of it focused on what Governor Cuomo inferred might be an easing of some COVID-19 related restrictions in Western New York.
Just these 5 words from the governor yesterday
I'll have those announcements Wednesday.
Were enough to spark optimism today from the county executive about what tomorrow may bring, even if it was guarded.
I don't know what the governor is officially going to announce tomorrow. I've had lots of discussions in the last few weeks with his staff as well as back and forth with him. And I think it's just important that we realize that the decisions that are being made to save lives.
It's also true, though, that the state has been increasingly on the losing side of court cases brought by business groups where judges have found the state's methods to arrive at its restrictions have been arbitrary and capricious, although the county executive doesn't put too much stock in that.
I'm fairly confident that when some of these cases go up to the 4th Department, the big victories they had are going to get reversed.
Meanwhile, it was also announced today that the county will have to cancel additional vaccination clinics due to continued problems with the state getting them the doses they'd been promised.
So we are keeping all the clinics at ECC North and ECC South for Thursday. However, for Friday, we are only going to be able to keep the pod at ECC North, and we are going to have to cancel the pod at ECC South.
And both have been canceled for Saturday, leaving an additional 1,300 or so emergency workers and teachers who had been scheduled to get vaccines having to wait until a time to be determined. Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.